This video is all about how to print your Love Notions PDF sewing patterns from your mobile device or your desktop computer. First, we're going to cover how to print from your desktop computer. First thing you want to do is be sure you have the free Adobe Reader program on your computer. To get that, just go to get.adobe.com and download it from there. After you've purchased your pattern, you're probably wondering, how do I get the files? There's two ways. You can either wait for the email to come through and click on the download link in your email, or you can access your files right away by just going to your account. To find your account, you'll go to lovenotions.com, and at the top right, you'll see a link that says My Account. Once you click on that, that will bring up your account and it will show you all the details in your account, including all the patterns you've purchased. So we're going to just go ahead and download the first one I have here. And you'll see a purple button that says Downloads. Click on that, and that will bring up another box, and it will show you all the different files that come with this pattern. We're going to work with a print at home file right now, so I'm going to click Download. Now this will download the file to my computer directly. Usually this will go into a file in your computer that's called My Downloads. So once that's downloaded, we can close out of here. And now we want to open up Adobe. If you don't already have Adobe, that's okay. It's a free download that if you go to getadobe.com/reader, you'll see the options that you can download. It's just, you just want this reader right here. It's the free version. It downloads to your account. You'll have to open it up and install it. So once that's done, you'll need to navigate to Adobe on your computer and open up the file. Once you've downloaded and installed Adobe Reader, you'll open up the Adobe and you'll come to a home page. This, I've already opened Adobe up many times, so it has a recent history. So you may not have, files already showing. So to open up the file that you already downloaded, you'll go to File, Open, and then you'll navigate to your computer where that file is downloaded. Like I mentioned before, it's probably a folder called Downloads unless you specifically sent it somewhere else. So here's the file, the acorn vest that I downloaded. I'm going to open that up. So right away, we get our pattern. So now I feel like this is a little big, so I'm going to shrink it down to make it a little bit easier to see. And I want to show you how to use a layers function. This is one of my favorite features of the Love Notions print at home files. The ability to select and print just your desired size or sizes is so valuable. So to use this feature, you definitely need to use a desktop computer like we're using right now. Unfortunately, Adobe hasn't included this feature in their mobile versions, like on a phone or a tablet. So to use the layers, you will have to use a desktop. All right, so once we've downloaded our pattern, we've opened it up. You'll notice over here on the left-hand side, there are some icons. This last icon, it looks like some sheets of paper. You'll click on this and this will expand a menu. And once you select this pattern, it will show you all the sizes that are available. Let me scroll down here to a pattern page so you can see what I'm doing when I turn these layers on and off. All right, here we go. So if you just want to print like the size 7, you can turn off all the other sizes. By default, all the sizes are already on. So you can see, we see all the sizes, 2T through 16. So as I turn off by clicking the eyeballs, you'll see the lines disappear. So if we just want that size 7, we'll remove everything else, and there you go. You definitely want to keep on the guidelines. If you're a US printer, printing on US paper, you'll leave on the regular guidelines, and if you're an A4 paper user, you'll leave on the A4 guidelines. I actually leave both of them on. It doesn't bother me to have the A4, but that's what that dotted line is over there. If you see that come and go, that is the A4 layer. And in another video, I will show you how A4 and US papers are assembled. So once I have selected the size I want to print, I like to go up to page 3, and that shows us a little layout. And you can zoom in on this too if you need to see this a little bit better. It shows you all the pattern pieces and how they're laid out, and also you always have a print guide. So you're not printing the whole pattern, you're just printing what you need. Because most Love Notion patterns have many views, you don't need to print everything unless you just want to. So if we only want to print view A, I would see I need to print pages 21 through 32. Now to print, we're going to go up here to this print icon, and you select your printer, and then you select pages to print. So we're going to print 21 through 32. And under page size and handling, we want to make sure this is always actual size. And then orientation is auto, and that's it. Then you can just send it to your printer and you're ready to assemble your pattern. Now we're going to cover how to print from your mobile device. To access your files and print from a mobile device, you go to lovenotions.com on your mobile device. I'm using an iPhone on Safari right here, and you'll see the mobile version of the website. The menu button is these 3 lines right here. If you click on that, you'll see My Account, and you'll go to your account, and that will pull up all of your pattern purchases. The really nice thing about Love Notions patterns is your files are always here for you. There's no limit to how many times you can download, and there's no expiration. So you never have to worry about losing your files. So we're going to print the acorn vest. And to do that, we're going to click this green plus button, and that will show a purple downloads button. We're going to click the downloads, and that will bring up another page that will show you all the files that you have available with this pattern. We're going to print the print at home file. So we're going to click on download, and this will open up the file, but we don't want to print from here because printing from the web view is not reliable. So we're going to save this to our phone and then open up the Adobe Reader app and print that way. So to save it to our phone, we're going to hit the share button, and we're going to save to files, and then save wherever you want to on your phone that you know where you can find it. So I'm just going to leave it on my phone right here, and I'm going to hit save. So now we're going to open up the Adobe app, which is right here. If you haven't already done that, it's a free app that you just download. And we're going to navigate to where the file is. Sometimes it takes a little bit of looking to find where it is. Here it is. We're going to open that up, and here we go. All right, now we can go ahead and print. Unfortunately, Adobe has not extended the ability to print layers on their mobile devices from their app, so you won't be able to select your sizes, but at least you can still select, you can just print the pages you want for the view, so you're not printing the whole thing. So for example, if we're going to print view A, we know we need to print pages 21 through 32. So to do that, we're going to hit the 3 buttons over here, and we're going to scroll down to print, and then we select our printer and the options, and here is the range where we can select what pages, what was it, 21 through 32. So we select that, and then go back, and then you would hit the print button, and you can see how the other pages are all grayed out, but if you go to pages 21 through 32, there they are, you'll see that those are just the pages that it will print. So that's it. That's how you print from a mobile device. In this video, we covered how to download your Love Notion sewing patterns and how to print them. If you have more questions, feel free to reach out by joining our Facebook group or sending us an email at help@lovenotions.com. Happy sewing!